just some clothes.
This is really frustrating, but
Hoping now, I include that in the report.
morning. Welcome to Sky High Airlines. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I hope I'm not too late. My flight is like an hour and I haven't checked in yet.
No worries at all. Let's get you sorted quickly. Can I have your booking reference or your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Great. You are all set for flight 245 to New York. Do you have any luggage to check in today?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
It looks a bit heavy. Are you sure it's within the weight limit?
Well, I packed for a week and a little extra.
Happens to the best of us. Let's wait it just to be safe.
Oh no, please be light.
You're good, just under the wing. Let's get the top for you.
Thank you. I was worried I have to leave my favorite jacket behind.
I can't let you do that. What's your destination?
New York, visiting some friends and checking out a few shows.
Wow, here's your boarding pass. Gate 2 and they are boarding soon.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime, safe travels and enjoy your trip.
Thanks again.
Hi there, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York. Here's my documents.
Thank you. Let me verify your document first. Everything looks good. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, just this one.
Your luggage is 27 kg, which exceeds the baggage allowance by 23 kg. I'm afraid there will be an excess baggage of 3,500. Would you like to pay that now or remove some items?
Huh? Hindi naman ako na-inform about this. Wala naman nagsabi sa akin. I've been flying for years and this has never been an issue.
I understand this can be frustrating. The baggage policy is listed in your booking confirmation, and we try to ensure our passengers are aware of it in advance. Would you prefer to rearrange your items or pay the fee now?
I guess I'll pay the fee. This is really inconvenient.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'll process the payment now. Your luggage is checking. Here's your boarding pass. You'll be departing from gate 2 and boarding will start at 10:30 a.m. Please be sure to arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes before the departure. Have a safe flight.
Thanks.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sky High Airlines, Team Flight 156, bound to New York. The following is your pre-boarding announcement, so please remain seated as we explain to you Sky High boarding procedure. Once again, we are not yet boarding. First to board are passengers traveling with infants and children, as well as passengers needing extra assistance in boarding. Next to be boarded are our business class passengers, our first and gold and silver frequent flyers, Sky Priority Elite Plus, and Elite members, and to the rest of the passengers. We will be boarding you by zone number, starting from the rearmost of the aircraft, moving towards to the front. So kindly remain seated until your zone number is called. Your zone number is located at the lower right and hand portion of your boarding pass. To facilitate our boarding, please form 2 lines in front of the gate and have your Manila boarding pass ready to be presented to our ground staff and cabin crew. We would also like to remind you that you are only allowed 1 piece of hand carry the size of which must fit underneath your cabin seats or overhead bin. Any extra piece of bulky cabin baggage should be presented to our ground staff so it will be tagged to your final destination. For your safety and safety of the aircraft's electronic system, please turn off your mobile phones from the moment of leaving the departure area until you reach the airport for your destination. Thank you for choosing Sky High Airlines and welcome to our world. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to begin the boarding process for Flight 156. We will be boarded by group number. At this time, we invite passengers in Group A to begin boarding. Please have your boarding pass and ID ready.
Thank you. You're all set. Please proceed to the aircraft and enjoy your flight. Thanks.
This is ridiculous. I've been waiting for 30 minutes already. Why can't I board yet? You called so many groups already.
Ma'am, I understand the wait can be frustrating. We're boarding by groups to ensure a smooth and organized process. Your group will be called shortly and you'll be able to board then.
I paid for this flight. I should be able to board whenever I want.
Ma'am, I understand your concern and appreciate your patience. Please take a seat.
Fine, because I need.
Thank you for understanding. Hi, I need some help. My baggage arrived but it's damaged.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Can you show me the damage in your baggage claim ticket, please?
It's right here. The zipper is broken.
I see. Definitely not ideal. We can find a report for this. Do you have any personal items inside that you need, please?
Yes, just some clothes and a few toiletries.
Okay, ma'am. I include that in the report. We will arrange for terms or compensation based on our policy.
Okay. Please make it fast.
We will do our best. You will receive a follow-up email with the details.
Thank you so much for your help.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
I can find my bag. It hasn't arrived.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Let me assist you. It seems that your bag was delayed and during latest flight. Let me file a missing luggage report. Could you please provide your contact details and address for delivery, ma'am?
This is unacceptable. I need my bag today. Bakit mawawala yun?
I understand your frustration, ma'am, and I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. You'll receive an update within 24 hours.
This is really frustrating, but fine. I'll make sure you're updated as soon as we locate your luggage.
Thank you for your patience, ma'am.